Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.1, no problem number 7. The ratio of the radii of two right circular cones of same height is 1:3. That is R1 is to R2, that is equal to 1:3, same height given. Find the ratio of their surface area, curved surface area, when the height of each cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. Two right circular cones with the same height, a radii ratio given R1 is to R2, that is equal to 1:3. Since same height are given, H1 equals H2. H1 is the height of the first cone, H2 is the height of the second cone. Same height means both are equal. Find the ratio of the CSA when the height of each cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. Here R1, R2, here smaller cone radius equals R1x. R1x, consider as R1x, and larger cone radius, that is equal to R1, actually R1 only, not R1x, R1, that is equal to 1x, R2 that is equal to 3x. Again I tell you, R1 that is equal to 1x and R2 that is equal to 3x you have to consider. Say that means we are assuming that. Now we have to find out the surface, curved surface area of the cone 1, smaller cone. CSA of smaller cone divided by CSA of larger cone, that is equal to CSA of smaller cone divided by CSA of larger cone. CSA formula, cone formula, pi or L. I write here pi R1 L1, here pi R2 L2. Then let it be number 1. Now we can find out L1. L1 equals square root of R1 squared plus H1 squared. R1 that is equal to X for the smaller cone. R1 that is equal to X. So X squared. H1 that is equal to, what is given? H1, height of each cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. Smaller cone radius is X. Therefore, H1 that is equal to 3 R1 that is equal to 3x. Once again, height of each cone is 3 times radius of the smaller cone. Smaller cone radius is R1. Therefore, R1 that is equal to x here. Therefore, 3R1 becomes 3x. So, this can be replaced by 3x whole square, that is equal to square root of x squared plus 9x squared. 3 squared is 9, then x squared. 1x squared plus 9x squared, that is equal to 10x squared. That is equal to root 10 into root of x squared. Root 10 write as it is, root of x squared is x, that is L1. Like that you have to find out L2. L2 equals square root of R2 square plus H2 square, that is equal to square root of R2. R2 here it is 3x. 3x the whole square. H2 here, H2 and H1 are equal, correct? H2 and H1 are equal. For H1 what I have written here? 3x, same 3x. So h2 can be replaced by 3x the whole square. That is equal to root of 3x the whole square is 9x square. It is also 9x square. That is equal to root of 18x square. That is equal to root 18 into root of x square. That is equal to root 18 into x square is x. This is L2. Therefore, equation 1 implies, equation 1, we know that CSCF smaller cone divided by CSCF larger cone. Before that, you can cancel that pi. So, CSCF smaller cone divided by CSCF larger cone, CSA of smaller cone divided by CSA of larger cone, that is equal to R1 into L1. R1, that is x. X into L1. L1 here it is root 10 into x. Root 10 into x divided by CSF larger cone R2 into L2. R2 here it is 3x into L2. L2 here it is root 18 into x. Now we have to simplify. X cancelled. Here also cancelled. That is equal to root 10. You can write root 5 into root 2. Root 5 into root 2, that is equal to root 10. Right? 3 as it is. Then 18, that is equal to root 9 into root 2. 9 2s are 18. Now we can cancel root 2. That is equal to root 5 divided by 3. You know that value of root 9, that is also 3. Root 5 divided by 3, 3s are 9. Therefore, write the result. CSA of smaller cone is to, or asked to find out the ratio. CSA of larger cone, that is equal to root 5 is to 9. That's all. Problem number 7 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 8 in the next video. Thank you, children.